Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a little something. I'm going to do a little test. I'm going to check the accuracy of two airsoft guns. This one would be the Crosman R34, also M4 is what it's supposed to be. The M4, and it's got what every airsoft gun has, a 6mm caliber, and but this one has a velocity of 300 feet per second. Okay, it's got quite a long barrel. I'd say it's pretty long, I don't know. And then also my second gun is also by Crosman, and the reason I chose Crosman was so then we could find out, you know, what makes a difference, if any, between just certain guns, so then people won't be like, it's just because it's a different company and that company stuff. Okay, well this is a Crosman P9, and this one has a velocity of 350 feet per second. So we're going to test these two guns and see which one's more accurate. The M4 has a peephole and blade sight, and the P9 has a front sight and two back sights, which you place this one in between these two. So we're going to test these, and then we'll see how well they stand and see which one's more accurate. Okay, so we're going to recap. We're going to test the M4 and we're going to test the P9 and see which one is more accurate. My hypothesis is that the M4 is going to be more accurate than the P9 because the barrel on the M4 is much longer and it will provide for more accuracy and keep it straighter on its way to the target. A little bit about my test is that I'm going to be using two ace cards, and I'm going to aim for the center figure, and I'm going to label each card so that they don't get mixed up. It's going to be within about 10 to 15 feet. It's going to have no air resistance since it's going to be indoors. I'm using the same type of ammo, so there's no chance that it's going to be different. They are both the red 6mm BBs. Yes, there are some other BBs in there, but I made sure that they're all the red ones that are going to be fired. And those are also Crosman, so then there's no way that a mixed breed can be completely off. So that's a little bit about both my tests. So we're going to do this test next. The first 5 shots are going to be of the M4. I'm also using this card. Five rounds. One. Two. Four. Five. first gun was with the M4, and I was aiming for this, right in the center. Now you can see clearly where that hit. And I shall mark them now. When you're using C9 with the H apart, I'm going to the part in the center. Five now, and with the H apart. One, two, three, 4, 5. So here we go. The P9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the P9. So now, if we put them side by side, it looks to me that the M4 is a lot more accurate. I mean, sure, it's just more predictable. Okay, the P9, as it's spread apart across the whole card, and the M4, it may have been a little bit to the left, but it's still more accurate and goes to the same spot all the time. My sources of error could be that it was just me, if I'm the only tester, that this would not be like real battle ideal conditions, like within 10-15 feet, and there's no air resistance, and of course, again, the tester. So that was my sources of error. My conclusion is this, that the M4 is much more accurate than the P9. I'm not exactly sure if it's because of the barrel, or if it's because of velocity, or any other reason. All I know, and all that this test is made to be proven, is that the M4 is more accurate than the P9. Thank you for watching. Quick little thing before I go. I have a request for you. Can you please rate me? Give me 5 stars, you know, that'd be pretty cool. And also, you can leave a comment or something, or tell me how I could help my test and make it more accurate so we can test it better. Also, I would like you to subscribe to me, Guitar 91 Guitar, and have an awesome day.